Of exams to the first quarter of 2021, and this is precisely around March, April, assuming the curve shall be flattened in the month of August, then that is the minimum that is possible. We have said, even if it means repeating a year, it would be better. But of course, the school curriculum shall begin from where it stopped. It shall begin from where it stopped, and nobody will be disadvantaged. We cannot engage in risky undertaking and activities that we shall lose lives. The guidelines are very clear, and you'll see it here in this report. The wages of teachers must be protected, and workers, it must be protected. No one, either government or private entrepreneurs, should use the COVID-19 as an excuse not to pay salaries. It is clear here from the guidelines. Because the calamity was not brought by workers. It is a natural phenomenon that is beyond human control. And so the resources that have been mobilized should cushion the workers that we have seen, the task measures that were passed by Parliament and proposed by the president, the tax measures, that was meant to cushion workers. So you cannot offload the tax burden from workers with one hand and then withdraw salaries from the other hand.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thanks so much. Thanks so much.